Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily access chat in Zoom on application, or how you can also find the chat in Zoom. So there are actually two ways how you can do it. The first thing is just let's start a meeting, and let's say that you are in a meeting, right? Now what to do is go right down corner to more and click here chat. And now you can see like all the chat here, and voila, here we got it. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is find the chat, and also you can find the chat right here when you would be on contacts, and you can just write someone. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. And have a great day, and goodbye.